In the heart of America, a young athlete dared to dream. Kevin Plank, a former University of Maryland football player, saw a need for better athletic apparel. He was tired of sweat-soaked cotton shirts. He envisioned a future where athletes could perform better. From his grandmother's basement, Under Armour was born. Plank's vision was simple yet powerful. To make athletes better, this clear why fueled his passion and determination. He knew there had to be a better way. He believed in his idea, even when no one else did. This unwavering belief became the foundation of a billion-dollar brand. Plank's inspiration came from a simple observation. His sweat-drenched cotton t-shirts, they were heavy, uncomfortable, and hindered his performance. He knew there had to be a better alternative. He experimented with different fabrics in his grandmother's basement. His goal to create a shirt that would wick away moisture and keep athletes cool and dry. After months of trial and error, Plank found the solution. He discovered a synthetic fabric that possessed superior moisture-wicking properties. This breakthrough marked a turning point. Plank had found the key to unlocking athletic performance. He was ready to share his creation with the world. With his new fabric in hand, Plank created his first prototype, a simple, short-sleeved compression shirt. He believed in its potential to revolutionize athletic wear. He wore it himself, testing its performance on the field. He shared it with his former teammates, gathering valuable feedback. Plank's belief in his product was contagious. Athletes who tried the shirt were impressed. They felt the difference the moisture-wicking fabric made. Word of mouth began to spread. Plank knew he was on to something special. It was time to turn his prototype into a viable product. Section 4. Grit and Grind. Early sales and building momentum. Plank started his business from the trunk of his car. He drove up and down the East Coast, selling his shirts to college and professional teams. He faced rejection. He persevered. He believed in his product and his vision. He knew that success wouldn't come easy. Gradually, Plank's persistence paid off. Teams started to place orders. Athletes embraced the performance-enhancing benefits of Under Armour's gear. The brand gained traction. Plank's basement operation was outgrowing its humble beginnings. It was time to scale up.